My name is Oliver Datus, and I'm a level 4 technician, master tech. I was given a tour through the facility in August, and from there on, I love the area, and we wanted to move down here. Culture-wise, it's been a lot more friendly. It's easier to work in the shop because there's a lot of competitiveness, and sometimes the competitiveness is good, sometimes it's bad. In this case here with Hudson, it's just been, friendly competition, In fact, who can get the most hours, who can get the most oil changes, and in fact, even then, like, we learn off of each other here. As I told you, it took me years to be a master. I know some of us, will fast track to be a master, but fast tracking only means that there's a lot more that you would have to learn from the times that you didn't learn from basics. One of the goals in mind is that I do want a corporate seat, and I want, again, to be someone who's in a leadership position, who's sitting within a desk and actually help other technicians grow. Because in this world, we can attain all the knowledge in the world, but if we're not sharing that knowledge and actually seeing what it's worth, then what is it for?